guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to permanently delete your Google account or your Gmail account. Let's begin. Once you've successfully opened your Gmail, I want you to go over here on the upper right section, click on your profile icon, and then manage your Google account. From here, this is going to be your dashboard where you can locate and edit every single information from your accounts. I want you to go to here on the left panel. Okay, you can click on data and privacy. Then scroll down and select delete your Google account. Let's find that option. Here we have the option to select delete your Google account. All right. Then it will provide you with this long message. You need to read this carefully so that you will know what happens if ever you will decide to delete your account permanently. So as you can see, all the items will be deleted from your Gmail, YouTube, calendar, and contacts. And you have the option to download your data just in case there is something important there. Just make sure to check these boxes, delete your accounts. They will just require you to ask your credentials for some security purposes, security measures, and then you can hit on delete account. And that's it. Your Gmail account is gone forever. Make sure you've backed up everything important and before taking any of these steps, all right? Making sure all of the data is secured and within your arm's reach. I hope you found this video very helpful.